In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage assignee permissions in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to manage and click Edit Form. In the Form Builder, click the Publish tab at the top. From the menu on the left, select Assign Form. In the Assign by Email field, enter the email address of the person you want to assign the form to. Next to the email field, open the Permissions drop-down menu and choose the access level you want to grant. You can allow them to submit only, submit and view later, or submit and edit later, depending on what they need to do. After selecting the appropriate permission, click Send Invitation. The user will receive an email with instructions to access the form. If you want to change permissions for someone you've already assigned, click Assign To on the right side of the page. In the Shared With window, find the user and open their permissions drop-down menu. Choose the new permission level you want to assign. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can simply close the window when you're done. That's how to manage assignee permissions in Jotform. Thanks for watching.